Hello dear students, it's Balkrishna Shetty, your maths teacher. Now I am going to teach you a new topic from exercise 4.6. Here you can see in question 1 a figure has been given in the shape of circle. We have to identify different things from the figure. So first question is identify the center of the circle. So you can see the center of the circle is O. O is the center of the circle. Now the second question is identify three radius. So if you want to know the definition of radius, as I told you and explained in the lecture, that a radius is a line segment whose one end point is the center and the other end point lies on the circle. So in this way the radius is OA, OB and OC. Starting from O, there are three line segments OA, OB and OC. Okay. Now the third question is a diameter. So the definition of diameter is a line segment which passes through the center and whose end point lies on the circle. So here in the figure you can see only one line segment which is passing through the center, that is line segment AC. Line segment AC. So the answer is AC. Now the fourth question is a chord. A definition of chord is a line segment whose end point lies on the circle. A line segment whose end point lies on the circle. So here there are two line segment which lies whose end points lies on the center, that is AC and DE. Here you can see DE and AC whose endpoints lie on the circle. So both are chords of the circle. Now the next question, 2 points in the interior. 2 points in the interior of the circle. You can see in the interior of the circle O and P. O and P, both points lie in the interior of the circle. Next question, a point in the exterior. Exterior means on outside of the circle, the points lying in the outside of the circle. So here you can see point Q is lying outside the circle, so it is a point in the exterior of the circle, point Q. Okay. Now the next question, a sector. A sector, a definition for sector is that an area enclosed by two radius of a circle. An area enclosed by two radius of a circle. So here you can see the area enclosed by OA and OB. Area enclosed by radius OA and OB is the sector. Now the last question for question 1 is a segment. A segment. So segment means an area enclosed by an chord of a circle. By a chord of a circle. So here you can see chord DE has enclosed a certain part of the circle, so it is segment DE. Okay. So we have answered all the questions of question 1. Now question 2. Here it has been asked, is every diameter of a circle also a chord, and second, is every chord of a circle also a diameter? So for the first one, it is true, yes, every diameter of a circle is a chord of the circle, but not every chord of a circle is a diameter of the circle, because diameter is also a chord of the circle, longest chord of the circle, because the definition of diameter fits into the definition of chord, but we cannot fit the definition of chord into the definition of diameter. So every chord is not a diameter of the circle, but each and every diameter of a circle is a chord of the circle. Okay, now I end my lecture. So exercise 4.6 is completed for you. Bye for now. Take care of yourself. Okay.